Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this special abacha. This is the way our people normally cut their abacha. You can see how big and how beautiful it is. So if this is a video you're interested in watching, please keep watching this video. So guys, this is the cassava tuber that we're going to be using in making the abacha. You can see how big this cassava tuber is. Okay, I got this from my garden. I think what we have here is just one cassava tuber and the small ones you can see on the floor. Just keep watching this video and you will see the magic I performed with this cassava tuber. It is very big and heavy. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, you should know what hunger is dealing with us here right away. So you can use this as, you can take this as your lunch, can serve as lunch. If you have coconut or maybe groundnut, you can blend it with this cassava. Okay, so you can see the way I'm peeling the cassava. So we want to peel it before cooking it so that it will be very easy for us while slicing it. Okay, if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Joy Special. I share amazing and special recipes and videos in this channel. Okay, do not forget to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel because you're going to enjoy everything that we are doing here. Okay, for my returning subscribers, kisses in all your cheeks. I love you. So guys, here is the cassava. I'm done peeling it. I'll go ahead to add enough water and I'm going to wash it 2 times before cooking it because as you can see, you have a lot of starch. So I'll wash it very well before I'll go ahead and cook it. So guys, let's go ahead and make our firewood as usual. Easiest way to cook here in Africa without stress. If you are in Nigeria, you should know how much gas is. I think 1 kg of gas is about 1.4 to 1.5 now. So cooking this in the firewood is going to make it a lot easier and very fast for us. Okay, so let's make the fire fast. So guys, here we are done making the fire, and as you can see, the cassava is already cooking. I will go ahead to cover it and allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes before checking it. Okay, make sure the fire is burning very well. You can see that, so that it's not going to take a long time before cooking. So guys, this is the cassava after 20 minutes. We'll go ahead to check if it is done, and we're going to give it a quick stir, allow it to cook for another 5 minutes, then we'll bring it down and allow it to cool off before cutting it or maybe slicing it. So let's go. You can see the way I'm doing the slicing. Okay, this is another method of slicing cassava. This is the method our people usually use in cutting it. It looks very big. Okay, likewise in my own place, I think I've shared a video on how we do abacha. We normally use grater to grate it, but here in Owerri they use knife to cut it, and they make sure they cut it very big. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing it. Okay, This is a step-by-step process. Please, if you know you enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. And if you can share this video, of course, I'm really going to appreciate that. Help me share this video so that other people can as well watch and enjoy this video, okay? So guys, here we are done slicing the cassava, okay? You can see the way it looks like. So we're going to go ahead to add in water into those buckets, and we will cover and allow it to sit till the next day before we start washing it, okay? If you don't have you can use, if you don't have hot water, normally we use hot water in soaking, but if you don't have hot water, you can use normal room temperature water, okay? But if you have stream, normally during the olden days, I think this we usually take this to the stream and allow it to sit till the next day. But because of hunger in Nigeria now, if you take this thing to the stream, you might not even go there and meet it. People might carry it, okay? So it's better you do it at home and be sure. So the next day you will go ahead with your sieve and remove the abacha from the water and add in another water and wash until it is clean. For this process, it is a long process. It's a long process because you need to wash it as many times as you can. If you have the water, it requires you to wash it several times until it is clean and ready to be served, okay? Like I said before, you can enjoy this abacha with your coconut or maybe with your groundnut. For this one I'm washing now, we are going to enjoy it with our sweet creamy coconut, okay? So you can see how big it is. This is how Owerri people usually cut their own abacha. But if it is in my place, we usually use this grater to grate it. But Owerri people normally use knife. So they cut it big. You can see how big it is. You can enjoy this with your groundnut or your coconut. So guys, when you're done washing, you will go ahead and add in clean water into the abacha. You can see how clean and how sweet the abacha is looking. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.